Do you know many people are having trouble with their Chamberlain 950EV remotes suddenly stopping? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Replace the battery. Replace the battery if the remote's LED does not flash. Open the case, insert a new 3VCR 2032 battery, and close the cover. Step 2. Reprogram the remote. Reprogram the remote by pressing MENU on the Smart Control panel, selecting PROGRAM, then REMOTEREMOTE, and holding the remote button until the garage door lights blink. Step 3. Test the remote. Test the remote by pressing the button you just programmed. Ensure the garage door opener activates. Step 4. Erase and reprogram. If issues persist, erase all remote controls by holding the LAARN button on the opener until the LED turns off. Reprogram the remote control. Step 5. Use within range. Use the remote within the recommended range and conditions for optimal operation. By following these steps, your Chamberlain 950EV remote should reconnect and work perfectly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Chamberlain users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.